What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you a kind of like a home storage type unit. Check this thing out. This thing is made by a company called KADORVA. Maybe that's how you pronounce that, with a VA, whatever that means. I did open it up and check it out, and I'm going to show y'all some instructions on it. This is what it actually looks like when it's fully assembled. It looks like a little shelf like this, and that looks really cool. I actually like these little like shelves like that. The way you kind of like, it's like an accordion style. There's two ways of doing it. You can do it long ways or you can do it vertical. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all exactly what you get with the package. You see all the package, a little set of hardware, and it looks really good. It has this kind of like premium bamboo type look to it. I really like that look a lot. I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together. It has a pretty easy set of instructions to follow. So let me go ahead and put this thing together, and then I'll come back and tell you exactly what you get with this thing. Took it out of the package here. I have all the items laid out. This thing looks super simple. Check it out. You get the set of hardware, which looks to be these self-threading type screws, and they give you your own Allen key. You know what? I just dropped one. Do not lose these. And all it is just running these through here. You see these accordion style right here. Very simple to put together. I'm going to go ahead. I got all the pieces. I checked and made sure I had them all. I'm going to now go ahead and assemble it, and I'll show you the assembled product now. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, there it is. I just put it all together. That took me maybe 10 minutes. I did have to go out and get a bigger wrench to get a little more leverage on it. The little small one didn't work as well, but you know what? You could easily do this with a little small one supplied. And let me show you kind of what you get here. This is like the actual shelf itself. You have a place to hang stuff here, put stuff there, but let me show you another modular that you can do with this. Let me show you real quick. Check it out. You can actually drop it down and make just a flat table, and it has the logo right there. It looks really nice and premium. This thing looks awesome the way it's set up, and then it collapses down into even a smaller package if you just want to move it away or have it for storage or take it somewhere. Is that not awesome how it can go from a table to like a stand? Super sturdy, and it's got some little bit of water resistance to it. Highly recommend this item for anybody that just needs a table for outdoors, indoors, or pretty much anywhere you want to put it. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the KADORVA adjustable table stand. See you guys in the next video. Woo!